Locate the bulb you intend to replace. Turn the wheel to give yourself better access.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the bolts that attach the wheel well lining to the vehicle.
There are 3 bolts that need to be removed. There's still 1 more bolt that needs to be removed. Pull away the wheel well lining for access to the bulb assembly. The wheel well lining can be pretty rigid and sometimes sharp, so it's a good idea to have a pair of gloves before attempting this repair.
Remove the rubber cover by pulling it straight back. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Push the tab and pull the connector to release the bulb. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back in place. Replace the wheel well lining. Tuck the lining behind the lip of the bumper. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Bulbs get dimmer by 20% over time, which is another great reason to change both bulbs at once.